Ito na yata ang pinaka-worth it na massage spot na na-try ko around Metro Manila. Welcome to Spa de Manila. Located lang to sa 1 Kennedy Place sa Club Filipino Avenue katabi mismo ng Green Hills Mall. The place is very cozy and relaxing while waiting for your massage treatment. Sobrang nagustuhan ko yung theme nila as tangkilikin ng sariling atin. Dito mo talaga makakita on how premium this massage place is. I got the hot calamansi juice and now I'm getting excited kung anong options nila for their massage.
Sigla, Dalakas, Dahimbing,
Okay.
and Daagos po.
Okay.
Yan po yung full body massage natin.
Alam mo, plus points din talaga sa akin kapag I get to choose on what type of oil I can get. Dito sa Spa de Manila, they have 3 couples room para mas ma-enjoy nyo ang massage nyo, and I love how it feels private and luxurious at the same time ang rooms nila. Upon entering sa room, change na tayo ng clothes. Soak yung paa nyo ng warm water with salt for antibacterial. After naman ng 1 hour massage nyo, may isa-serve silang after massage hot butterol chocolate drink with pandesal. I think this is one of the best massage spots na sisikat this coming 2026. Kasi the way they massage your muscles is parang nagte-take time talaga sila para ma-relax yung katawan mo, ulo hanggang paa. Kaya kung fan ka sa massage, try mo tong Spa de Manila.